Every recipe has a story, and today's recipe begins under the shade of an old jackfruit tree in a quaint little village. There stood a giant jackfruit tree that had been growing for decades. Every summer, its branches became heavy with fresh green jackfruits. The tree wasn't just a source of fruit, it was a symbol of family, sharing, and tradition. An elderly grandmother often told her grandchildren, nature never wastes anything. Every gift has a purpose if you know how to use it. One rainy afternoon, the family had very few ingredients left in the kitchen. There was some cooked rice from the night before, a young green jackfruit picked from the tree, and a few simple spices. Instead of wearing the grandmother's pouch, she carefully prepared the young jackfruit, mixed it with the leftover rice, added a handful of fresh herbs and spices, and gently stirred everything together. As the mixture tossed the hot pan, a gentle sizzling sound filled the kitchen. Within minutes, the pancake turned beautiful golden, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. The delicious aroma diffused through the house begins. Everyone to the kitchen. The children gathered around the table, curious to taste something they had never seen before. With the very first bite, their faces lit up with smiles. It wasn't just because the pancake tasted wonderful. It was because they had discovered that simple ingredients, when prepared with love and creativity, could become something truly unforgettable. Years have passed since that day, but the recipe has never been forgotten. Today, families still prepare this jackfruit rice pancake not only because it's delicious, but because it reminds them that some of life's greatest treasures come from the simplest things. In today's busy world, we often search for expensive meals and complicated recipes generations. Food has a beautiful way of connecting people across cultures. Whether you are watching from the any country, I hope this story inspired you to discover the beauty of traditional home cooking. Maybe this isn't just another recipe. Maybe today you are starting a new family tradition in your own kitchen. Thank you for being part of this journey. If you enjoyed this story and recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves homemade food. Until next time, keep cooking, keep sharing, and keep creating beautiful memories. See you in the next video.